let's continue to link our this thing together. So once we verify our strip, so can just verify it through to be easy. So I'm going to click on my profile. So I'm going to click on my earnings. My earnings here, you are going to see it. So I'm going to click on Nigeria. It's going to be easy, straight. So it's going to take me to the next step. So I'm going to continue to strip setup. I'm setting it up. So it's going to just to take me to the place. So I'm just going to verify my account. So it's asking us to verify our phone number. So an email has been sent. Verification has been sent. So that's what we are going to do next. So we have entered the code right now. So we are waiting for the thing to load. So it's going to load. So it's loading right now, and it's going to take us to the next step. So we can see, so this is our last the last video that we did about Merco. So we are just going to continue the verification process. So it's loading. So let's wait, guys. So I'm going to agree and continue verify your identity with strip. So you will take a photo of a valid ID. The information you provide strip will help us confirm. So all the information you provided on your strip account must be accurate. Your name and your date of birth must be accurate. So I'm going to scan my NIN and I'm going to pause this video for a while. So it's processing right now. So the ID card is processing. So let's just wait, and the ID card has been covered. Unable to verify the ID or so let's take. So I'm going to submit it like this. I'm just going to submit it, guys. I'm going to submit it all. So let me just submit it. So I think they have approved it. So let's just continue, agree and submit. So what I'm going to do now is to agree and submit. That is what I'm going to do now. I think they have approved it, guys. Thank God. So let me just agree and continue. So they have accepted. So this is how you are going to verify your ID, your strip ID. So let me click on my earnings. So it has been connected. As you can see, existing payment method. So that is still the existing payment method, guys. So thank you for watching my videos. I'm going to see you in my next video, and don't forget to use my link to Merco link this video description. The link is going to be under this video description. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comments. If you have any question, I'm going to be in this comment section with you and answer all your questions. And make sure that you watch other my video that's coming up, some tasks that I'm doing that I'm also going to invite you to be doing with me, to participate with me. So see you in my next video, guys.